Hello, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO, and today I am in front of 1259 Guerrero Street, just looking at this beautiful Victorian condominium, top floor. You can see it's a wonderful neighborhood, nice sidewalk. The neighbors have their property so well decorated. You enter 1259 through a wonderful gated wrought iron gate. You have a nice front entry right here to enjoy. Brick staircase, again, very grand entrance with oversized doors. Windows over top. Again, this is a top floor unit, so you enter. All right, here we are at the top of the landing. Nice foyer area. Just beautiful, tall ceilings, large doors. Got a nice skylight right here. Again, these are probably 14-foot ceilings here. This door goes to the back of the building, and that's the hot water heater right through that door. Let's go into the kitchen first. And here we are into the kitchen dining room area. So dining room is right here. These nice, beautiful chandelier, big space, tall ceilings. And then to the right is the kitchen area. So stainless appliances, double sink, gas range, microwave, and tall ceilings, recessed lighting. And then we have the kitchen island here with bar stool, an area for bar stool seating. And here you can see the dishwasher, under the counter lighting, and lots of cabinet and cupboard space here. This is a little bay window, so you can have a little greenhouse type of situation there where you have plants, herbs, or whatever you might have there. Again, turning around, you can see, again, just appreciate how big this space is. The bench seating right here, this table is not attached to the property. So if you wanted to change that out, you could do that. But this bench seating is really nice because, again, it allows you to enjoy this space while someone's, baking a cake or cooking dinner, and everyone can sit in here and enjoy. I'm just going to share the backyard. Again, the backyard is not deeded as part of this condominium, but it's definitely something that you have access to walk through. Real quick, let's look at the pantry area. Lots and lots of storage space. Another skylight up there, and then you have the laundry machines. All right, let's go into the rest of the house. To the left, we have bathroom, lots of cabinet space, double-headed shower, toilet right here, and then turning around, you have the sink and the medicine cabinet. This door goes into the bedroom, stone floors, and of course these floors are wooden. Going into the this is the primary bedroom. It has lots of windows, tall ceilings, big closets. In fact, let's take a look at these closets. It's like, look at all the storage space you have here for clothes, shoes, sweaters, you need boxes, everything that one thinks of using a closet for, you can do here. So, and you then have the second one. This is a walk-in closet. Again, look how far those ceilings go, making this a perfect place to store things. And again, and it's a big room. This is a very, very sizable room, again, with tall ceilings. Okay, coming around. Again, this is the entrance, the stairs that we came up to access the unit, condominium. Let's go into this bedroom right here. Tall ceilings, and then we have a closet right here. And wooden floors. These are double pane windows too, and they do have window treatments on them. So, so you're all set, ready to go here. Again, this would classically be considered the master or the primary living room. We have a nice bay window here, lots of greenery, double pane windows, window treatments if you want a little bit more privacy, and then decorative fireplace. Just absolutely gorgeous in-shelf lighting here. And then for convenience, we have a full bathroom. So toilet, stone floors. In fact, I think these are marble floors right here. Vanity. This is a medicine cabinet as well for storage. And then you have a shower. So there you have it. 1259 Guerrero. This property is now available, ready to rent. The owner just finished some work. There's a couple little things that we're doing. So this is a fully managed property. So, ReLISTO will not only be leasing this to you, but we'll be taking care of you throughout your tenancy, and want to make sure that you have an enjoyable experience here. And there's a couple things that we're still working on, but we look forward to having you come to the property and making this your home. This is a beautiful property, great location, and we look forward to seeing you and having you live here. All right, thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.